Okay, so here we have Graham Phillips Model 4 computer. I'm going to show it repaired and running. So this is the computer just plugged in. The FreHD system I'll show in a moment. Currently, as you can see, it's not plugged in. So these two discs were supplied, both copies of the high resolution operating system. I'll try one disc. There we go. Okay. We can check what's on the other disc. There's the contents. We can switch them around. Put that one in the bottom, this one in the top. Reset our system. Boots the disc. And off it goes. You can test the high resolution board. Okay. There's our high resolution picture. And back to DOS. Okay. I'll show that the disk drive is working. So it's formatting the disk in the top drive. Now it's verifying that disk. Okay, so that's the backup, that's the format done. We'll now back up the disk from the bottom to the top. Drive 0, drive 1. Yes, we want to. So we can see it loading around 10 cylinders at a time, then dumping them to the top drive, then verifying the top drive. This process will take a minute or two. Okay, it's verifying the last few cylinders. Okay, so all 39 tracks have been, or 40 tracks have been copied. We'll take our original disc out, get our copied disc, perfect. Both disc drives work perfectly, they've been tested for days. The doors have been repaired and work properly. When you're opening doors on these drives, remember, you push it down like that. To open it, you push in at the top. Down, push in. If you open them by pulling outwards like that, you can bust them if you're not careful. So you always push in. Okay. Okay, this part of the video shows how to set up the FreHD hard drive emulator. So on the bottom of the Model 4 you'll see that I've drawn a red line here, it's pink, and we get the interface cable, and the pink line on the interface cable plugs in where the pink line is. So there it is installed on the computer. Zoom out. So I've got the FreHD sitting on top of the computer. We plug the power from the FreHD in. Make sure that we had a flash from the light there. Can check by plugging the SD card out and back in. And we turn on the computer. And it will automatically start up to the FreHD menu. And then we can just choose our operating system. So there's LDOS. LDOS for Model 3 mode. NewDOS 80. And CPM. We can check our high resolution function by loading the high res version of LSDOS. Load the same picture as before. It loads much more quickly because the FreHD is much speedier. There's our high resolution graphics image. So there you have it. Just make sure that your FreHD is plugged in and powered on. When you turn the computer on, it automatically goes straight to the menu where you can choose your operating system. So there you go. Have fun with it.